And all you have to do is just breathe in and then out. And let it all relax. Good. Let me stretch you. There we go. Nice. Okay, cool. Okay, and breathe into it. And out. Breathe in deep again. And out. And as I roll you back, totally relax. Let all your weight go in my hand. More. There we go. I'm going to stretch the lower back, okay? Okay. And breathe in. And out. Nice.